Sulh with Sayyidina Amir Muawiyah himself. Show me one book. ایک کتاب دسو جتنا لکھا ہوا امام حسن سے امیر المؤمنین میں امیر معاویہ کے ہوں ہمارے کو لکھا ہے. That I am the leader, I am the son of Hazrat Ali, I am the grandson of Muhammad Rasulullah. اس کو بڑی قوم وہی سکھنی. Can you get a better pedigree than this? Can you get a better lineage than this? The son of Sayyidina Ali, the grandson of the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Amirul Mu'mineen of the time, Amirul Mu'mineen, not no proxy king today. What did the poet say? Ye sarkar ka dar hai dar shahah nahi, jo maang liya aur bhi kuch maang. He was Amirul Mu'mineen. He was the leader of the Muslims of the kingdom of the Messenger of Allah. Aajkal asane leaderan nahi kursi waste apna deen bhi bechi hote. He was Amirul Mu'mineen. He was a Khalifa of the Muslims, the son of Sayyidina Ali, the grandson of Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And he said, Musalmana ki bichare mein main sulh kar sakta. I will do sulh with Sayyidina Amir Muawiyah. And we will end any bad blood, we will end it. And he made sulh and he handed over the title, he handed over the kingship to Sayyidina Amir Muawiyah. آج کل میں تو غریب بلایا تو کسی نے وہ نہ بلانے. In today's day and age, if somebody disrespects you, you never talk to him again. Next time you have a problem with your brother, you have a problem with your uncle, you have a problem with your mother or father, then remember the likes of Sayyidina Imam Hassan, who even though he was Amirul Mu'mineen, he gave away the kursi, he gave away the title. Why? To stop the bloodshed amongst the Muslims, to make sure the Muslims remain united. Now, after the passing of Sayyidina Imam Hassan and then the passing of Sayyidina Amir Muawiyah radiallahu anhu, they say